Yo, morning, guys. We are back again for today's video. This is currently 8:47 on 12th of August, Wednesday. So, I want to give update on today's trade and the ones we have taken so far. Mm, Currently, this trade moved about 1 to 6 before we had this retracement that is coming up. I've actually closed this position. I closed the position in two of my accounts. The challenge account I'm trading, I closed in $198, while the funded account I closed in $227. I was like, today is CPI, so and I don't know, CPI might be bullish today, but even though if CPI is bullish, that means dollar is going to be weak and US oil should rise. But what if it's not? I just decided, okay, fine. My challenge account, I was in drawdown, like I was in serious drawdown. I took the first four trades I took, they were all losses, as you can see. So, but this particular trade, US oil has recovered the losses, and I have $31 in profit. So I said, okay, let me just close it so that it will cover that loss. I will make sure I'm no longer in drawdown. Then for my funded account, I now said, let me just take it. At least I was able to the trade I took on GPAUD also. I moved a bit, I closed somewhere here, and I was able to close at I was just looking for $25, but I was able to close at $67. So currently I have $530 to be withdrawn, as you can see, $530 to be withdrawn. So I said, okay, I'm no longer, let me not just keep holding this trade. I allow this one to run it's still running in my challenge account, but I have closed up positions. Look at it, it's currently at $82. I've closed up positions on my funded account. So I'm going to withdraw, it's 80% split, so 530 multiplied by 80 divided by 100 is going to give me $424. That's what I'm going to get, which is a decent amount of money. 1000, I think that is 1388 right now. That is like 588,000. Wow, half a million, Parents money sweet, I'm not gonna lie, give you parents money sweet. So they have not paid yet. They have not really updated my um account. Where is the guy? Let me delete some things here. They have not updated my goods funded account, so this is it. Let me check. I go to home. It's still showing 1 day. It's still showing, that's, sorry. This is it. It's still showing trading days to be one. So I think it's going to update after the end of today's trading day. So it's going to update once it's still over trend. Then my withdrawal will be can you see? What the fuck are you saying, bro? The withdrawal is already here waiting for me. Request a payout. 530. Wow. Ah, total profit 80. Wow. This is wonderful. I'm going to make a different video on making this withdrawal, so it's not going to be in this one. So this is it. So I'm still expecting that this high will go. I'm still expecting this high to go. I'm still holding the trade. I'm going to hold it up to here, and if I make this withdrawal, I'm going to buy a 10K account on fundedness. I was looking at buying from Goat Funded again, but I noticed something. They don't have 10K accounts in two steps. They don't have 10K accounts. They only have 15K, and 15K account costs $130. I am not ready to buy with $130. So what I want to do is I now check my this thing, my funded next, which is also a pro firm that I trade with. We have a two-step account of 10K at $50.99. So which is like, let's say around that kind, 52, $53 to buy this account, because they have a discount already. They have a 15% discount. So once the withdrawal enters, um, I'm going to buy the account with $50 and trade 10K. So if I make profits from there, we'll move ahead to the next level. So this is just what I'm expecting. This is the situation of the trade. Why Euro card and AUD card, Euro card and GBP card. I'm expecting once this high is taken, maybe CPI is going to be bullish, like I said, and watch out for something like this. So that's what I'm expecting on Euro card and GBP card. So here is the last high of GBP card. Here's the last high of GBP card. So let's see if this high will be taken for for a buy. So these are the only thing I'm looking at for today. Gold, I feel this this is going to be bullish. I feel gold is not yet ready for itself. I feel today's CPI is going to be bullish. From the way chart is looking, I feel it's going to be bullish, right from Euro USD. This looks as if it's accumulating liquidity, kind of trend line liquidity. That's what it looks like. For that to continue the push to the upside. I don't know, but a lot of reasons why I had to like close my position and secure the profits. So let's see how it goes. So everything is still looking bearish. I mean bullish for now. And that's why I feel like the market is not done being bullish. So I feel like today's CPI will definitely be bullish from the look of things. So I will just, this trade is probably going to hit my TP, but I've closed already. It is what it is. I'm okay with the decent profit I've made, but I feel it's still going to like take out this high also. But we have closed. At least he made about 1 to 5 or so. So that is it for today, and I'll keep updating you guys. I don't have any beautiful setup. Okay, I think I analyzed this guy. I had a very bad analysis with this. This is a very nice entry which I didn't see. So I was looking at this guy as a sell, but I later discovered that it should be more of a buy than sell, and this is the reason. If you check generally, let's say like market has been bullish, right? Now this thing happened in daily time frame. Market swept this high and closed with this indecision and a single candle on that block kind of. So the simple thing I would have done is that once market starts here, just go down to your 1 hour to see whether you are going to find a confirmation entry, and we did find a confirmation entry, which is this was this breakout structure. Market structure sheet, the other block entry breakout structure, and when market gave us another shift in structure here, as you can see. It gave a shift. So after all these inducement legs, market came back to, I saw this particular other block I marked it in 30 minutes. Mark this particular from there to here, and it covered the 1 hour other block, a breaker block rather. So to target that high, as you can see, this is sustained, a very beautiful sweet setup, which I didn't really notice it until it had played out. And that's the challenges we're having in this trading. The same thing with this guy. I am really feeling this guy is going to keep pushing up. If you check weekly time frame, you notice this particular place triggered at this point of interest, what I call it again. This is reacting from here, because I was looking for a place where this market will reverse from. So I marked this. Market is reacting from there, and after that you can just go back to your lower time frame to know whether it will respect it and give you a market structure shift. So let's say we had a market structure shift here, and market is really pushing to the upside, heavily pushing to the upside. So I was just looking for a place where I will see a potential buy. So this is it. I have a break here, and if market comes here, I'll look for confirmation and take a buy. I'll just wait when this high will be swept, and start looking out for confirmation entries. So um, that's just what I'm thinking. So I'm not looking for much today, just these few things, and I believe everything will go well. USD card is reacting from a weekly what is it called? Resistance here. Let's say it as resistance. Reacting from there. So if I see a confirmation entry, like kind of rejecting this place of confirmation entry, then probably the bullish movement might continue. So, but for now, market just tapped it, and there has not been any confirmation yet. So I don't know, but if today's CPI become bullish, then probably we might push deeper. I think that's all I'm looking for today. I don't have any other pain, any other serious pain I'm looking at. Okay, AUDNZD had a break of multiple structures here. This side was breaking this, and an inducement was formed. An inducement, okay, it has not formed an inducement yet. Let me see. Where did I see the? Okay, yeah, in 3 hours. I marked it in 3 hours. As you can see, this high was broken. Inducement has been formed. So I will just wait for markets to like pull back here. Market comes here with confirmation entry. I'm going to buy, and keep pushing to the upside. So that's what I'm expecting. All right, I'll make a separate video and placing my withdrawal. So I love you guys. Take care. Like, share, comment. Bye bye.